This Mediterranean cucumber and feta salad is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. It's perfect for barbecues and summer dinners.
It pairs beautifully with grilled meats, roasted veggies, rice dishes, and even other salads. Made with crisp cucumbers, a zesty dressing, and creamy feta, it's fresh and flavorful.
Will this salad become your new summer favorite too? Let's find out.
If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kitty, and this channel is all about Middle Eastern recipes and culture, with a special focus on my beloved country, Jordan.
Let's quickly go over what you'll need. As a star of the salad, go for small cucumbers like Persian cucumbers. They are crunchier and have a better flavor than the large English ones. Use a block of feta packed in brine. It's creamier and more flavorful than pre-crumbled cheese. Red onion adds a nice bite and a pop of color. A few fresh mint leaves bring brightness and a signature Mediterranean touch. No mint, fresh basil or dill works too. For the dressing, we'll need olive oil, fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and sumac. Sumac is optional but totally worth it. More on that later.
You'll find the list of ingredients with amounts in the description box, along with a link to the printable recipe instructions.
Now let's get to the recipe. Let's start off by dicing the cucumbers. Cut off the ends. To maximize the crunch and flavor of the salad, I peel the cucumbers in alternating layers, a bit like a zebra pattern. Depending on the quality of the skin and your preference, you could completely peel it or use unpeeled. Place the cucumbers on a cutting board and slice lengthwise, then cut each part into halves. Bundle and roughly chop. Let's continue with the mint. Pluck the mint leaves off the stems one by one. Discard the thick stems and use only the leaves. Bundle the mint leaves, roll tightly, and slice thinly. Repeat a few times until finely minced. Peel an onion and cut into halves. Place on a cutting board with the flat side down. Then cut into thin slices or finely diced. For this salad, I think finely diced onion are a better choice, but either works well. Freshly squeezed lemon juice will yield the best taste. We only need a small amount though. A 2-to-1 ratio of olive oil to lemon juice is a good guideline for dressings. Combine olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, salt, and sumac in a mixing bowl and whisk to combine. This might seem like a lot of sumac, but trust me, it will nicely coat the cucumbers and add a beautiful taste to each bite. If you're planning to serve the salad right away, you can just mix the dressing with the salad ingredients right away. However, if you're making the salad a few hours ahead of time, you can better prepare the dressing in a separate container and add it when serving. Feta is the last component of this salad. Drain the brine and then pat dry the feta with paper towels to reduce moisture and prevent your salad from getting soggy. Cut the cheese into small cubes with a knife or simply break into chunks using your hands, as per your preference. Ensure the feta is well chilled because cold feta crumbles more easily and cleanly than room temperature feta. Transfer the cucumber-onion mixture with the dressing onto a beautiful plate or platter and arrange the feta on top of the salad. Garnish with some mint and it's ready to serve. Sahtin, enjoy!